What happens to a empire such as this one that creates beautiful structures like this, but then declines? How does it decline, and why does it decline? We're going to find out why this particular empire rose to power and how it declined in our new episode, or our new guided notes, The Rise and Fall of the Byzantine Empire, guided notes 4.1. So here's your learning goal for this lesson. You should be able to analyze the causes of the decline of the Byzantine Empire, particularly those things that occurred, the Justinian plague, the Crusades, and also other factors outside of the Byzantine Empire. And this is your standard 2.7. And here's your vocabulary. Take the time now to pause this video and make sure that you get your vocabulary down. The words are icon, schism, codification, and the Crusades. All of these will be mentioned throughout the lesson. The city of Constantinople was started when Emperor Constantine I took the capital of the Roman Empire to Anatolia and now founding his city by his namesake in the ancient Greek city of Byzantium. So that's how Constantinople came to be. After constant attacks by the Visigoths, which were a German group, the Franks, also known as France today, and the Vandals, which the Romans called barbarians, which were also a German group, Roman emperors after Constantine continued to have the seat of power in Constantinople to avoid these constant attacks. Question time. Why was the city of Constantinople so important to the Eastern Roman Empire? So, if you said that the city of Constantinople was established on the Bosphorus Strait, then you're absolutely correct. Also, this Bosphorus Strait connected the Mediterranean Sea and the Black Sea, which allowed the Byzantine Empire to easily trade between Asia and the Mediterranean. Now, one of the most influential emperors of the Eastern Roman Empire, or Byzantine Empire, was Justinian and his wife, Empress Theodora. Justinian was determined to reestablish the Roman Empire throughout the Mediterranean, and he actually did within the early 500 CE. Now, one of Justinian's most important contributions was the codification of Roman law, or simplifying it, because years before it was all over the place and very inconsistent. Now, today, that law code is called Justinian's Code. And because it was written in Latin, it's the basis of the legal system for Europe and even our legal system today. And as you see here, a picture of Justinian's Code. Justinian also contributed a lot of money and a vast amount to beautiful dome ceiling churches and technological and artistic advancements, such as this one, the famous church, now turned mosque, as the Hagia Sophia. Now, Justinian was also known for his entertainment. In this case, this is the Hippodrome. It was a stadium for chariot races and sports entertainment and other forms of entertainment. But the teams, blue and green, and other teams, were a mixture of sports, politics, and a play for power. One of those teams, the green team, even launches an attack and revolt against Emperor Justinian. Justinian's accomplishments were amazing. But his empire and the Eastern Roman Empire started to decline because of several serious problems. Well, firstly, Justinian was known for his heavy spending, especially on architecture like the churches, the Hagia Sophia you saw, lavish parties, and also games in the Hippodrome. This led to the treasury becoming empty. Also, the bubonic plague, also known as the Justinian plague at that time, contributed to the decline of the population in 540 CE. Over 40% of the population in the Byzantine Empire dies because of this deadly disease. The Eastern Roman Empire had renewed threats as well by the Islamic caliphates, which we're going to learn later, the Persians and the Slavs. And as you see here, the Islamic caliphates take control of a vast amount of land. Now, there was also a growing religious split or schism brewing between the Roman Catholic Church in the Western Roman Empire and the Orthodox Church in the Eastern Roman Empire. And this trouble began in 1730 CE when the Byzantine Emperor Leo III outlawed the use of icons, as you see here in this marble or mosaic of Jesus. They outlawed the use of icons as idolatry. So many people were using these mosaics to pray to. And this was called the iconoclast controversy. Now, Roman Catholic popes did not agree that they should outlaw idols or icons in the church, but the Eastern Orthodox Church did. Eventually, the Byzantine emperors will reverse that stand, but the damage was already done and a rift was created, and now there's two sects of Christianity, the Roman Catholic Church and the Eastern Orthodox Church. Now, with the group known as Islam. So by the end of the 11th century, the Crusades were happening between the Christians and the Muslims. But eventually, the Ottoman Empire under the Sultanate of Mehmed II, or Mehmed the Conqueror, he conquers Constantinople, and the Eastern Roman Empire, or the Byzantine Empire, falls in 1453 AD or CE. And this is a picture of the Ottoman Empire's coin. So let's be a detective. Which objects in this photo would indicate the change of the Hagia Sophia from a church to a mosque? And what does this change suggest? Let me know in Edpuzzle. So if you said these particular Arabic symbols on the side of the building, then you're absolutely correct. This shows that the church was now changed into a mosque, and this is exactly when the Ottoman Empire came in and conquered the Byzantine Empire and changed the Hagia Sophia from a church to a mosque. Great work! Awesome. So now you know more about the Byzantine Empire, the rise and the fall of the Byzantine Empire. Now look out for Guided Notes 4.2, the Islamic Empire and its Caliphates. See you soon.